There are several default modes of operation which can be selected on the SensorMATe from the System Settings menu. Selecting the Op Mode function brings up a list of these default configurations. This list includes settings for property exit, telecare enabled, fault prevention, and the capability to monitor independent inputs. To select the required default configuration, simply press the return key when the correct text is shown in the display contrast inverted. There is also a setting for no change. No change allows the installer to navigate out of the menu without any changes being applied. Selection of the property exit mode applies default settings so that the SensorMATe can be used as an intelligent property exit sensor. The default configurations for this setting are as shown. The property exit mode allows the monitored user to exit a property for a configurable amount of time without an alarm being raised. The SensorMATe is used in conjunction with other sensors such as PIRs. The PIR or floor mat sensor is connected to the left-hand input and a magnetic door contact connected to the right input. Settings and timings can be adjusted by navigating to the property exit settings menu. The telecare enabled mode allows the SensorMATe to be used as a bed/chair occupancy solution. The default conditions for the telecare enabled mode are as shown. It should be noted that the left-hand input is set to be used with the paper-thin mat. All of these parameters can be adjusted in the Configure Left Input menu. With telecare enabled selected, the installer can still enable the right-hand input and configure for another sensor such as enuresis as desired. Selection of the fault prevention mode applies default settings to the SensorMATe so that it can be used as a bed/chair occupancy solution for fault prevention. The main differences between this mode and the telecare enabled mode is the tremble time is reduced to 1 second, the alarm type that is transmitted is a bed type alarm, and the upscale alarms are enabled. As per the telecare enabled default mode, all of these parameters can be adjusted accordingly in the Configure Left Input menu. Again, the right-hand input can still be configured for another sensor such as enuresis if required. The Independent Inputs mode allows the user full access and configuration over both of the inputs. The default configuration is as shown. Thank you for watching this short video. If you have any queries or require any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us on 01296 461 or by email at telecaresupport@possum.co.uk.